Hello there. I used to work at KEMRI and I used to watch researchers spend a lot of time trying to format their citations. And I thought, what if I would build a web tool that would actually take much lesser time than they actually used to? And that's how this project came through. My name is Benaya Wanyeke. I'm a software developer and I'm also an ICT officer. And at KEMRI, researchers were manually entering hundreds of citations into an Excel sheet. The process would involve copying and pasting line by line, and this process would actually be very slow, frustrating, and most of the time full of formatting errors, and which would result to developers to actually jump in order to clean the messy data, pulling them away from their core task. I came up with a solution where I built a web stack app that could actually automate the whole citation process, of which I'll actually like to take you through. So you have to have an account. So by now you're gonna be logging in. So you log in. So once you log in, you'll be taken to this platform where you can see the files that you have uploaded from before, and this is where you can also upload files. So by now I'll just click in order to upload my citation file. That is, so I'll click on that one and then I'll upload. You can be able to preview. This is an article actually. You can be able to review and upload. So now once you upload, you can click this button which says analyze. So when you click this button, the system itself will do the process for you. It will actually pass everything from the authors, the journals, the publications, and it exports that into a clean Excel sheet, a fully formatted Excel sheet that is ready to use for the Dynamics NAV. The process has already been done. As you can see, the results have been created with more than over 300 citations being processed. You can see the authors, you can see the journals, you can see the title of the article, you can see the year that it was published, you can see the volume, you can see the URL, you can see the pages that that thing have. That is, it formats and extract the whole data for you. Now, a process that would result to more than 30 minutes to an hour B of formatting now takes more than 5 minutes to process. And now you can also be able to view the files that you have uploaded in this in your time at KEMRI. So these are all the files, and that is the product, and that is how I came up with that solution in order to automate the whole citation process. Thank you.